Hey everyone! Have you noticed how quickly the tools industry is changing? It feels like every day there's a new brand popping up, showing off the latest innovations, cutting-edge technology, and a whole bunch of new tools to check out. And among them, we have picked up the 20 best new tools you can get this year. So let's not waste more time and get to the products. Life can get pretty messy, but the all-new Ryobi USB Lithium Telescoping Power Scrubber is here to make cleaning a whole lot easier. It's lightweight, super easy to use, and built to help you tackle tough grime without all the hard scrubbing. It comes with 4 different brushes you can swap out, so it's great for cleaning your kitchen, bathroom, outdoor spaces, and more. The handle extends from 27 to 47 inches, which means you can reach tricky spots without bending or hurting your back. And the head even pivots 180 degrees to get the perfect angle. Weighing just 2.35 pounds, it's comfortable to hold. And it's water resistant too. You can dunk it up to 3 feet underwater for up to 30 minutes. Plus, there's a handy LED light that shows green when it's charged and red when the battery's low, so you always know when it's ready to go. If you've ever struggled to lift heavy, awkward materials on a job site, the DeWalt GRABO lifter might just be your new best friend. This tool makes grabbing and lifting things like glass, tile, metal, wood, drywall, concrete, and even natural stone way easier and safer. It can handle up to 265 pounds, thanks to its powerful electric vacuum pump that gives you a strong, reliable grip, even on semi-porous surfaces. Plus, you don't have to babysit it. It's got a built-in pressure sensor that automatically keeps the suction strong for you. There's also a digital pressure gauge, so you can see exactly how much grip you've got, and an audio alarm that lets you know if there's ever an issue. The double action button gives you extra control when you're lifting, carrying, or installing materials, which is super handy when you're working with expensive or fragile stuff. So if you're a pro or a serious DIYer, this lifter can definitely make your projects a whole lot easier. When you've got serious cutting to do, the Ego CSX 5000 commercial 20-inch chainsaw is ready to get to work. This beast is built for heavy-duty professional jobs and runs on a powerful 3,500-watt brushless motor that gives you the same muscle as a 60 cubic centimeter gas engine, without the hassle of gas. It's tough too, made with UV-resistant composite housing and built to handle bad weather with an IPX5 rating, so it's made to last about 5 times longer than regular chainsaws. With a 20-inch bar and a full chisel chain that hits speeds up to 30 meters per second, it chews through thick trees, big branches, and even stubborn stumps with ease. Plus, it's got a backlit digital display that lets you easily switch between 3-speed settings and a built-in LED work light to help you see clearly, even when you're working late. When cleaning jobs start to pile up, the STIHL Rea 60-plus battery Waterblaster steps in to make life a whole lot easier. Even though it's lightweight at just 13 pounds, it's built tough and delivers serious cleaning power with 1,500 psi of steady pressure and up to 1,900 psi when you need that extra boost. You can smoothly dial the pressure up or down depending on what you're cleaning, thanks to the stepless control. It's designed to handle outdoor messes too, with a weather-resistant build and a battery cover that keeps everything protected from splashes. Switching between cleaning modes is simple. With the 3-in-1 nozzle, you can go from a flat jet to a rotary spray or detergent application without missing a beat. Plus, smart features like the hose reel and built-in detergent hose make it super easy to store and carry around. Whether you're tackling the patio, the car, or just about anything else, this little powerhouse is ready to get the job done. It's time to get a smooth, perfect finish. Festool's cordless Eccentric sanders are ready to roll without tying you down with cords. These sanders are built for serious performance, giving you the same power and precision you'd expect from a corded tool, but with the freedom to move wherever you need. They're lightweight, super well balanced, and designed to be easy on your hands, even during long sanding jobs. Thanks to the efficient brushless motor and strong battery life, you get steady, powerful sanding with less vibration and noise. You can also fine-tune your speed with simple controls to match the job you're working on, whether it's delicate finishing work or heavy material removal. Plus, they're built with dust extraction in mind, keeping your work area cleaner and your air safer. Whether you're working on furniture, walls, or big construction projects, Festool's cordless, eccentric sanders are made to keep you moving and keep your results flawless. Next up, we have the Hilti CFS-SL Extended Speed Sleeve, a pro-level solution designed to make sealing cable penetrations faster, easier, and more reliable. Its twist-to-close mechanism allows professionals to quickly seal and reopen the sleeve as needed, making it perfect for environments where cable configurations change often, like data centers, hospitals, and production plants. The design ensures superior smoke tightness and airflow control, eliminating the need for messy sealants or putty thanks to built-in smoke gaskets. It's easy to inspect too. You can tell if the sleeve is closed just by looking. No need to remove any coverings. Compatible with a variety of materials like drywall, concrete, and masonry, and suitable for small to medium circular openings, this tool is a top pick for professionals who need an efficient, compliant, and durable solution for sealing cable penetrations. Ever struggled with stubborn bearings while working on your car? Maybe you need this SKF EasyPull bearing puller, because this tool is designed to make your job safer and easier. Its spring-operated arms allow you to position it behind the component with just one quick movement, eliminating the hassle of manual adjustments. The unique red ring opening mechanism ensures smooth operation, while the sturdy build allows it to remove parts even in tight spaces. With self-locking arms, there's no risk of slipping under load, giving you better control and safety. The double hexagonal heads make it easier to apply force, reducing effort during dismounting. Plus, its self-centering design and nose piece help protect the shaft from damage, so you don't have to worry about costly repairs. Tired of struggling with warped boards and time-consuming deck installations? The Camo Lever is here to make your job easier and faster. This lightweight, intuitive tool locks in boards and clips with incredible power, making grooved installations a breeze. Its versatility means it works with any board and joist, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of decking projects. With just one turn, you can straighten warped boards or lock everything in place, freeing you up to focus on fastening. Compact, strong, and built for efficiency, the Camo Lever is a must-have for professionals who want to build better decks in less time. Getting ready for your next RV trip? Don't let a heavy, greasy hitch slow you down. The Hitch Grip is the smart, hassle-free way to move and attach your ball mount without straining your back or getting your hands dirty. Designed by an RV enthusiast, this innovative tool lets you lift and maneuver your weight distribution hitch with just one hand. Made from lightweight, industrial-strength materials, it features tungsten carbide tips that securely grip the hitch while evenly distributing the load for better stability. With no moving parts, the Hitch Grip is built for durability and ease of use, making what was once an awkward, back-breaking task quick, safe, and clean. Just lift, go, and enjoy the journey. This is one of those tools that feels like it was made with professionals in mind. Designed to deliver 14 liters of pressurized water at 7 to 10 psi for up to 30 minutes, it's perfect for dust suppression and cooling, without needing pumps, batteries, or electronics. Whether it's dust suppression or cooling, this portable water supply has you covered. It's lightweight, easy to carry with its shoulder strap or dual handles, and the 3-meter hose gives you nearly 20 feet of reach, so you can tackle any part of the job site without hassle. Plus, the versatile fittings mean you can refill it from just about any water source. Specially made for job sites around the world, the Hose to Go is simple, tough, an absolutely reliable tool that will surprise you every single day. Ever wished your tape measure could do more? The eTape 16 digital tape measure is the original game changer for professionals who demand precision and efficiency. With a 16-foot, 3/4-inch durable blade and a large digital display, it's designed for accuracy and ease of use. Features like centerline marking, 2 long-term memory settings, and short-term active memory make repetitive measurements faster and simpler. You can also re-zero for inside and outside measurements or switch effortlessly between US and metric units. Built with tough polycarbonate plastics and powered by a standard CR2CO32 battery with 64 hours of continuous use, this tool is perfect for professionals who need a reliable, versatile, and durable measuring solution on the job. Don't be fooled by its simple look. This tracer ProScribe is an incredible solution for carpenters, joiners, and anyone working with kitchens, flooring, or furniture. It's a compact, all-in-one scribing tool that comes with a durable carry case, a deep hole pencil, and extra leads. Everything you need to get marking right away. Using it is super simple, and it's versatile enough to handle over 15 different marking applications. The tool features adjustable points, so you can control the pencil's position and angle perfectly. For parallel marking, like along skirting boards, worktops, or doors, you just set the pencil to your desired offset distance and mark a straight parallel line. For trickier jobs like profile marking, you can rotate the pencil perpendicular to the base and adjust the arm to achieve the exact offset you need. The key to accuracy is to keep the tool perpendicular to the guide surface and let the metal guide trace the contours while transferring the profile onto your surface. Looking for a powerful, no-nonsense cutting tool to add to your professional kit? The WORKPRO Cordless Reciprocating Saw is built for the job. With its variable speed motor driving up to 2,800 strokes per minute, it handles tough materials with precision and ease. The tool-free blade release chuck makes blade changes quick and hassle-free, so you can keep moving without downtime. Its 4 amp-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures long run time, while the built-in LED light keeps your workspace well lit even in tight or dark areas. This saw is a reliable and efficient choice for professionals who need performance and convenience on the go. Worried about the cleaning hassle of those overgrown weeds in your yard? No problem, because we have the Hilltip WeedStriker for you. This is an amazing tool for them who want a clean, eco-friendly way to tackle weeds. Its compact and sturdy design makes it super easy to load onto a van, pickup truck, trailer, or even with a forklift. Plus, it's fully electric, so it's quiet and easy on the environment. Using it is simple. Just turn on the heater, adjust the flow rate through a mobile phone control, and you're ready to go. It comes with everything you need, including a spray gun, weed control lance, and a 20-meter hose reel with automatic rewind. No hassle, no mess. To get rid of weeds, just spray hot water on them. No chemicals, no toxins, just pure water. It's safe, effective, and leaves the surface ready for immediate use. Next up, we have something cool. This is the WRD Handling Cup. This tool helps you in lifting, positioning, and installing glass or sheet metal for every type of car. Designed for auto professionals, this heavy-duty suction cup securely grips smooth surfaces, giving you better control while reducing the risk of slips and damage. Its strong vacuum seal ensures a firm hold, making it perfect for handling windshields, side glass, and even body panels without scratching or dropping them. The ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip, so you can maneuver parts with confidence. Whether you're working on a windshield replacement or moving large panels, the WRD Handling Cup is a must-have tool for getting the job done quickly, safely, and with less strain. If you're tired of struggling with ladders or needing extra hands to hold heavy materials in place, the iTOOLco AllJack is here to lessen the hassle. This innovative tool is built to lift and support your workpieces, whether you're installing pipes, lights, drywall, cabinets, or even temporary dust barriers. With an impressive reach from 58 inches to a staggering 13 feet 6 inches, it easily handles high ceilings and tough angles. The industrial gas shock provides a snug and stable hold, keeping everything secure while you anchor your project into place. Once you're done, simply release the shock, and the AllJack comes right out, no sweat. It's far more powerful than a traditional support pole, making it the perfect solution for tackling challenging installations with ease and efficiency. To end our list, we have got a special tool for those tough tile removal jobs. Meet the BIHUI Vibration Tile Beater. Powered by a 21-volt lithium-ion battery, this tool combines power and convenience, offering 6 speed settings via a digital control panel to tackle any task with precision. The Eco Grip handle ensures maximum comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long sessions. Plus, the suction cup boasts an impressive 35-kilogram lifting capacity, which makes it easier to remove tiles securely and efficiently. So, whether you're working on small or large areas, this tool gives professionals the performance they need for a quicker, more accurate job. Tired of crouching down to scrape weeds from between your patio stones? Say hello to this new gardening toy, the GLORIA WeedBrush. And believe us, this is the tool you might be thinking of. It's an electric joint brush is designed to make weed and moss removal from joints effortless and ergonomic. Powered by a 230-volt, 300-watt motor spinning at 1800 RPM, it comes equipped with a brass-coated steel wire brush that can last up to 3 hours on concrete surfaces. For more delicate areas, there's an optional nylon brush available that's gentler on scratch-sensitive stone. The weed brush features a guide wheel and sightline for precise control, an all-around splash guard to keep debris contained, and an adjustable, ergonomic two-handed handle to ensure a comfortable, back-friendly working posture. Weighing just 2.4 kilograms and measuring 118 centimeters in length, it's a lightweight yet powerful tool for keeping your garden paths and patios weed-free. If you're looking to freshen up your garden without the back-breaking work, the GreenWorks 40-volt 10-inch cordless cultivator might be your new favorite tool. It's super easy to use. Just charge the battery, press the button, and you're good to go. With 4 sturdy 8-inch steel tines, it tills up to 10 inches wide and 5 inches deep, which is perfect for prepping soil in your flower beds or veggie garden. You can even adjust the tilling width depending on the space you're working with. The rear wheels make it easy to move around, and since it runs on a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, there's no messing around with gas or oil. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime, and the best part? That same battery works with over 75 other GreenWorks tools. So it's not just a cultivator, it's a smart addition to your whole yard setup. We know digging holes has always been a headache for gardeners, but this tool is here to change the scene. This is Roto Shovel. A 22-inch handheld electric shovel combines a powerful auger and scoop into one compact tool, making it perfect for planting flowers, installing fence posts, or tackling small landscaping projects. Powered by a 12-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers 2 to 3 hours of continuous use. And its automatic safety shutoff feature ensures the motor stops if it hits a rock or root, protecting both you and the tool. Built with durable aluminum and steel, the Roto Shovel is designed for ease and efficiency, turning digging tasks into quick and effortless jobs. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.